Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 115. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 8 here, so 6, 8. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 4, 9, and no help here, 4, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. That 9 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. And that cannot be correct, because we need a 9 in one of these two boxes. Did we already make a mistake? We've got 2 9s here, so what should that have been? A 6. But if we switch the 6 and 9 around, that would put the 9 in this row, which still leaves us in trouble here. All right, well, that's really short for today. If you saw where I made the mistake, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.